In this video, I'm going to teach you how to see your VRChat photos on your Oculus Quest 2. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm going to present you 3 methods to see the pictures you have taken in VRChat inside your Oculus Quest 2. The first one, and the simplest one, is just use the Files app in your Oculus Quest 2. Within the app, you can sort by recent media or downloads and find the pictures you have taken inside VRChat in there. Usually, they should be located at the Recents tab if you've taken them recently, but if you've taken a lot over time, make sure you check this headset folder in order to properly find them. Likewise, within the same app, you can click the cloud icon at the top to synchronize these pictures, and then you can use the mobile app to properly see them without having to open up the Files app in your actual Oculus Quest 2. For the last method, you can connect your Oculus Quest 2 to a computer and see them from there. Regardless of which method you choose, they will be accessible through the Files app on your Oculus Quest 2 as long as you take them and store them in the Quest 2 itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to see your VRChat photos on your Oculus Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.